A role.
My role is engineer.
What do you think of your team?
I think they're really good, but we need some more sportsmanship.
Okay, that's all for.
What's your role?
My role is to be a designer.
How was it to win, with your team?
It was actually very, very great. All my teammates worked hard, and I loved the sportsmanship.
Was it fun?
Yes, very fun.
Was it hard too?
Yes, they had some arguments and stuff like that, but we got through it.
Okay, that's all.
Do you like your teammates or not? Why?
I like my teammates. They work hard.
Okay, what's your role?
My role is the driver.
How many challenges did you win?
We won all of them.
Great. That's all.
What's your role, David? My role is driver. What do you think about your team? They're really good. They work hard. They don't get distracted, and yeah.
Hi, my name is Pod and I'm one of the team drivers in the Racing Cheetahs.
Hi, my name is Vicky and I'm the team designer for the Racing Cheetahs.
Hi, my name is Daniel. I'm one of the team drivers for the Racing Cheetahs.
Hi, I'm Jude. I'm the engineer for the Racing Cheetahs. The driver, Lewis Hamilton, is my inspiration. In the car model, we use the balloon and a rubber band to turn stored energy into kinetic energy. For the go-karts, we use Newton's law of motion. The third one, every reaction has an opposite equal reaction.
We had to use Onshape to design the models and aerodynamics to reduce drag from the car. We also had to think about the downforce and creating the wing that could push the car down when on turn.
Oscar Piastri is one of my biggest F1 heroes. Being a fellow Aussie like him. When you're turning a corner, you need to have chassis balance so your car doesn't flip, and you need to hit the apex.
As the chief engineer, I was making the pistons. The pistons move the flywheels by the piston moving up and down, which moves a stick and turns the crankshaft to turn the flywheels.
Newton's laws of motion are three sets of laws that regulate motion. Some laws regulate that some things will not move unless force is applied on it. And another one is every action has an equal and opposite reaction.
Yesterday's race was entertaining. I was near the turn. I turned. I took the outside corner. The flying fish took the inside corner. The next race, I went the inside corner, but there was so much fruits on it, on the road, that it was bumpy and slowed me down. So the flying fish won both of the races against us.
chassis, it holds the car. The wheels connected to the axle holder. Front wing is to create downforce. DRS, known as drag reduce system, and the wheels connected to the axle holder.
Today I'm going to be talking about growth mindset. And growth mindset is basically you're open to ideas and you love challenges, and also you don't give up. Is growth mindset. Feedback is also good. Stay positive, and failure is good if we learn.
My name is Harris. I work for the Flying Fish team. And the first challenge was the Jim Clark challenge. It was very challenging because we had to figure out what we had to do for the chassis, and we need to make it really light so it can actually push forward with the balloons, and we tested it on the slide.
Hi, I'm Ed and I work for the Flying Fish, and today I'll be talking about the Lewis Hamilton Challenge. So in the Lewis Hamilton Challenge, we made gravity carts so we can race them after. So first we went to buy wood for the chassis. We cut the wood out to make the chassis to make it the shape we wanted, and then we added the wheels. And I thought the axles will be made out from wood, but they were made from metal. And then when we finished it, we rode it down the hill, and then the Flying Fish won both races.
Hello, my name's Yuri, and I'm gonna talk about Newton's law of motion. So, the first law is objects keep doing what they're doing. So, if an object is staying still, then it's staying still. But if it's moving, then it's moving. The second law is heavier things need more force. The bigger or heavier something is, the more force it needs to push it. The third law is every action has an equal reaction. When you push something, it pushes back just as much. Example, air shooting out of a balloon pushes the car forward.
Hey, my name is Tarping, and today I will be talking about the Adrian Newey challenge. In the Adrian Newey challenge, we had to design a 3D printed car, and my 3D printed car was a basic normal car that I made it more flat so it could go with the air better, and yeah.
Hi, my name is Amanda and I'm a member of the Flying Fish. One of the main highlights was the Earth Senna challenge. We built pistons with parts such as connecting rod, flywheels, piston, crankshaft, and the cylinder. The air goes through the cylinder and the piston moves, pushing the wheels.